This year marks the 40th anniversary of Green Thumb, a movement brought to you by New York City's Parks Department to get New Yorkers gardening. Today, more than 80 community gardens around the city opened their gates to residents to try out their Green Thumb. We spoke to Dominique Vitiello, co-organizer of Open Garden Day, about why getting out in nature is important for Bronxites.
Nature, just to kind of be in nature. We have parks, but we don't always go to them. But to be part of an organization that with we want to happy garden together. That's kind of what we say. And for the kids to be a part of that, I think it's amazing. And they do enjoy it. Every time my daughter's like, when are we going back to the garden? She loves watering the plants.
Inner city gardening is a way to show kids where their food comes from without any added preservatives, says Paul Kiddes, a gardening instructor for Green Thumb.
There's a fresh garden for them somewhere. We get food and it comes out of a garden, a farm, something like that. This shows them what it's like, to where it comes from, where food comes from. They sit down at the table, they look at the food on their dish, and they recognize where that comes from.
Not only is gardening a healthy food alternative, it can also be therapeutic, says one mom who has a child with special needs.
Now our children are able to transition from outside, inside the school, coming here. So it's not just a garden per se, it's more of just daily living for them going from one place to the other, getting familiar with nature, sounds, just getting adjusted and having some place to go where they can, feel comfortable and just run around.
Since Green Thumb's inception, these kids have grown to appreciate the importance of gardening, and the hope is that future generations will follow in their footsteps.
I like to plant flowers and eat them.
You like to eat the flowers?
No, the plant and vegetables. I learned that we help the garden and we also help the community.
To learn more about community gardening in your neighborhood, visit www.nycparks.org. For BronxNet, Risse.